Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Lorida, Florida. Look, my new friend over here. Let me put the light again. Damn phone, it's always the same with this phone. I'm tired of him. Sorry guys, I figured it out. Why he shuts down all the time with the light? I don't get it. But now we got it. Alright guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And then one sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, you know me, I take everything apart, like that I can show you the best I can, like that I can be honest with you guys, like that you're honest with me when you receive the machine. You know how I work, I sell for parts. All these machines are broken, they're damaged, maybe they're good, I don't care. I sell for parts. If you're trying to fix these machines, you're making a big mistake, you know that. Why? Because they are damaged. Make sure you're aware of that. Alright, let's go. Remember, this is Rocky. My recoil, handle, recoil. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Let me open a little good. Remember, with a flash on it, it's going to be a little better for you to see. But so far already, I see good news. You know, these machines, I sell a lot of them for you guys to buy it. You know me. And these ones, these ones, no complaint, you see? Not bad. But I don't trust a salesperson. Why? Because we're all liars. Alright guys, enough is enough. So far, remember, acceleration is working. They're always almost the same. The only thing usually messed up on these machines is always the handle, and other than that, I'm always happy with them, you know, no complaint. Alright, let's hit it. Let me see if we're good there. Alright, we're good there. We're gonna throw a little of the pressure liquid, make sure it's on. I haven't put a spark plug. You can, with this spark plug, we're gonna use one of mine. Alright, we're good there. Oh, I even check. I not even check for gasoline lately. I gotta check. A lot of machines that I haven't even opened. Oh, this one's closed. Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna throw a little of the pressure liquid all the way here on the front, just up to the get on the inside of the machine. Not put too much, guys, because ain't always accelerate like that. Both valves go up. And I'm sorry about everything. I know I gotta put the camera a little higher. But anyway, all you want to hear is the sound. Wee. I messed up on my phone with the gas. You see that? It went on. Alright guys, so far remember this is my recoil. Flywheel works, coil works. Guys, that's all for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Thank you guys for everything. Guys, I'm putting, make me an offer. I'm going to put buy now. If you guys that buy from me all the time, hit me with a number. Anyways, we know what's up. We know how much we sell. It's just hit me. Hit me with a number, okay? Thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben. Aquí estamos dándole duro. Prepárense que lo que vengo es con todo lo de la ley. Así me gusta cuando yo pido aquí mi torta al pastor o carnita asada. Démoslo con todo lo de la ley. Me encanta la comida mexicana. Un saludo a mi gente mexicana. Un saludo a los altos de Los Ángeles, bajo de Los Ángeles, Phoenix, a Houston, mi gente de Houston. Saludos, gracias a la raza siempre ahí apoyándome. Bueno, ¿dónde no está la raza? Si la raza está en todos los lados. Dios mío, me compran en todos lados. Me encanta cuando me mandan fotos de cuando ya la máquina está funcionando. Gracias. Eso para mí es... me eleva. Gracias. Me encanta cuando le puedo... no sé. Nos ayudamos los dos. Me encanta cuando los dos nos podemos ayudar. Esa es la palabra. Bueno, mi gente, no hay mucho que hablar. La ladera es mía. Ustedes conocen a Rocky. Yo le decía Scarface antes, ahora le puse Rocky. Eso de Scarface se presta para cosas malas, y como uno es cubano, entonces, coño, ustedes los cubanos, ¿me entienden? Entonces nos da mejor Rocky. Y entonces ya vieron que por lo menos la bobina funciona, la mariposa funciona de ahí para allá. Recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque es una máquina que tiene que tener largo. Aunque esta usted sabe que yo vendo mucho, usted les ha hablado que esta compañía les compro a veces hasta 100 y pico. Una compañera inmensa que hay aquí en la Florida que me llama todos los años, gracias a Dios. Tengo gente que me fieles de tantos años y no me dejan. Ya saben, todas estas máquinas de saque yo siempre le pongo mis manos porque sé que están buenas. Bueno, ya saben que se me una la raza.